if you're experiencing connection errors in Minecraft, particularly Error 2026, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection speed or trying to access other websites or online services. If your internet is slow or intermittent, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart Minecraft. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve connection issues. Close Minecraft completely and then reopen it. This can refresh your connection to the server and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in the launcher and install any available updates. Running an outdated version can lead to compatibility issues and connection errors. Step 4. Check server status. Verify that the server you are trying to connect to is online and not experiencing issues. You can check the server status on its official website or community forums. If the server is down, you will need to wait until it is back online. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking Minecraft's connection. Check the settings and ensure that Minecraft is allowed through the firewall. You may need to add it as an exception or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the connection errors you're experiencing in Minecraft. If the problem persists, consider seeking help from Minecraft support or community forums for further assistance.